Hello world! My name is Yevhen Syusko. I am a scientist from Ukraine, the city of Kharkiv. I want to present my final task of CS50, Introduction to Programming with Python. The topic of my project is Find and save a highlighted news in the news portal. When I looked for an idea, I was driven by two things. First, I wanted my project to at least benefit me in my learning. Second, this should be similar to one of the tasks in the freelance world. So I chose to create a program related to web scraping. As you have already seen the topic, I use scraping to the news portal. Let's look on the problems closer. This is how Ukrainska Pravda looks like. Here we can see the highlighted news. It is one of the most important news. It is the content of the news and the title of the news. I decided to save every highlighted news to the file on this page. So I did it. Let's look on the output. It is Excel file. It consists of 3 columns. The first column it is website to the link to the news. The second column is a title, and the last it is a content of the news. Every column formatted by length and width, and text formatted too. So there were a lot of work, but I did it. Let's look on the program, how it does this. My program consists of 7 libraries, 6 sub-functions and 1 main function. The first sub-function creates a delay where we want. The next function get a class with bold article. The next function get the links for every articles, bold articles. The next function get titles of bold articles and get content. Then we named every column and centered these names. Then we gathered everything in a main function and save in a file. Thank you David Mellon and CS50 team for a good course. It was a pleasure for me to learn Python with CS50. Everyone, good luck!